Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We extend our respectful greetings to the entire organizing committee of the 5th Annual Civic Education Conference for their hard work and dedication in successfully hosting this event. We also wish to express our special gratitude to the Universitas Negeri Jakarta for serving us, the host, and for providing the facilities and warm welcome for all the guests attending this conference. It is an honor for our research team, Susi Fitriadewi, Teti Eka Purnama, Wirda Ningsih, Febri Yulika, and Selvi Kasman, representing Universitas Negeri Padang and the Institut Seni Indonesia Padang Panjang to present our research entitled Structure, Norm, and Lifestyle, the Reconstruction of the Sacred Forest Myth as Social Capital for the Green Economy in Indonesia. There is two reasons why this research was conducted. First, the rising rate of deforestation, which is causing widespread environmental damage. Second, the recognition by the Washington Post that the Kajang indigenous forest has been named the best guardian of rainforests in the world. The team raised three questions regarding the Kajang indigenous forest. What are the myths about the sacred forests that are believed by the indigenous people? What factors influence the preservation of those sacred forest myths? What strategies are used to protect the environment based on the sacred forest myth? By using interview technique, field observation, and focus group discussion with informants, the team found answers to the three questions mentioned above. What are the myths about the sacred forests that are believed by the indigenous people? The forest is like a mother. The forest is something sacred because it's a mother. The position of forest is equal to human. Cutting down trees is disobedient. Forests are a source of life for the Kajang indigenous community. The Kajang traditional law community is of the view that the leaf of plants produce oxygen and dew clump together into water droplets that rise into the cloud, turn into the rainwater, and rain give the life of plant and living creatures. It is prohibited to enter sacred forests to take wood, shrimp, rattan, and bees. If violation will cause sanction or fines to the community. Destroying the forest means destroying yourself and your next offspring. Anyone who enters the sacred forest will not be able to live. Even if he manages to get out, the person will die because the sacred forest called Borong Karama cannot be entered by anyone except Amatoa, the highest traditional leader for ritual purpose. What factors influence the preservation of the sacred forest myth? First, spiritual. The sacred forest is a place where the highest traditional leader finds prayer, baraka, or blessing, the safety of human, plants, and animals. The prayer offered by Amatoa is believed to be the guardian of nature, defending territory, food security, ensuring the availability of all agricultural seeds for the needs of the wider community. The sacred forest educates people to apply the principles of kamase masea, or simple living, not being greedy for forest products, consuming enough of what nature provides, living a healthy, peaceful life, and prioritizing mutual cooperation. Sacred forests educate people to comply with applicable laws. If anyone commits a violation of taking sacred forest produce, heavy sanction will be applied. The punishment will be carried out in front of the indigenous community, and the family will share the responsibility for the mistake committed by their family member, so that people can comply with maintaining sacred forests. Sacred forests educate community and traditional stakeholders to commit the maintaining forest. However, cut wood, take shrimp, bee honey, and rattan is the sacred forest outside in indigenous interest. They are believed they will get punishment commensurate with the level of the offense, because taking sacred forest products is a violation, can cause damage to natural resources. For us, sacred forests function to protect natural ecosystem, food security, and economic sustainability. What strategies are used to protect the environment based on the sacred forest myth? Based on the results of the FGD with the informant, 3 strategies were obtained to protect the environment, namely, strengthening the organizational structure of indigenous society, or S. 2. Implementing norm sanction as the supreme law, or N. And 3. Promoting a simple life, or L. The participant agreed to call the strategies as the SNL, that can function as the social capital for environmental protection based on the myth of the sacred forest. These 3 strategies have impact of changing people's behavior to preserve the environment, which in line with the green economy concept. Structured norm lifestyle, or NSL, are 3 main elements of social capital that can be used to shape attitude and understanding of society in present forest. These elements can be seen in the local Kajang community through important findings in this study. First, structure denotes that Amatoa position as the leader of the Kajang community has a vital role in the myth of the sacred forest. Amatoa was chosen based on the will of nature, which is approved by the Turi Arana, or God Almighty. This makes the figure of Amatoa has great power over the life of his people. This fact allows for collaboration with local government to manage forests within the green economy framework. The second strategy of norm implies local values practiced by Kajang community in managing the forest. These values, whether it is a recommendation, prohibition, or sanction, can be used as preference for green economy-based national development. Third, lifestyle is described as the personality of people who choose to live simply in harmony with nature and do not desire to overexploit the forest. These three crucial findings are an ideal combination of strategies that can be adopted by government in developing the green economy objective, which is believed to be more accommodating to society in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. For any further queries, please feel free to contact me at susifdvisu@p.ac.id. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.